Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can add your university or your school on your Facebook Lite profile. So let's get started. Firstly, open Facebook Lite app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on see more about yourself. Then you can see the option of education. Below it, you can see the option of add university or add secondary school. You can also add both, but here I am going to add university. Tap on add university, then search your institution, then tap on your university. Next, tap on save. Then refresh your profile. So this is how you can add your university or your school on your Facebook Lite profile on Facebook Lite. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.